Hello guys, we back again on another banger episode. Ivibe ikhona apha emva kwami niyayibona futhi sibuye nomnye wabantu abakwizinga eliphezulu kakhulu. As you all know into yobana abantu ke apha ekhaya asibazisi baye bazazise ngokunokwabo. Sizobulisa lo bhuti ke azazise apha kuthi. Khonman kunjani?
Siyaphila mtekazi man, can't complain much. Give love. Thanks for sight. Appreciate the creator for what he has done. We would say we're good. How are you, sir?
Oh, nathi siyaphila. Asinokhalaza uThixo sekhona, nathi siyaphila. Bhuti wami bengicela nje usixelele into yobana namhlanje apha ndihleli nabani wakwabani senza ntoni?
Oh, lo uhleli naye nguyanga kantsikelelo kamaswale karaplan. Known in the streets of Mthatha to be particular as Upaman because of the craft. I'm raised in Mpeko, moved around a bit. I'm now here in Mthatha curating art, and when we get to the work, I think I will tell you what I do, but for now I think that's enough for me to tell you what I am and who I am. I think that's fair for your time, yeah.
It is fair enough, khonman yami. Okay, guys, nisivele ke ubana lo bhuti ngubani wapi. Kodwa ke thina niyayazi into ukubana ikhona la nto sisoloko sinigrumbela yona ukuze nina nizuze into. Mkhulu wami okoqala nje ndiqale ndingcome the way obukeka ngakhona. You look so superb. Isitayile sakho ndiyasithanda kakhulu. Bendihalela ke futhi into yobana uke usifake kancinci apha wardrobe yakho into yobana namhlanje this outfit, what inspires you into yobana unxibe kanje namhlanje njembasi lapha futhi apha sizokwenza ntoni?
Okay, well, I will start from why are we here, then finish about me, because I think today I'm not really the important thing and what I'm wearing is so important. But I think the most important thing today is we curated this center pop-up today in partnership with the Art Center, the brand I own called Yours Truly. It belongs to you too. And then Usboshi Exclusive Designs, which is the brand that gave us all the look. If you can turn your cameras to the side, gave us all the look. We curated a bit of the pieces, but the purpose of the day, it is rather to give art life. How does the modern artist and the old age artist match in a place where aesthetics, lifestyle, couture, and leisure meets? So everything that you see today, I think from the perspective of Yours Truly, the brand that curated it, we were looking into saying there's an artist here, Mthatha, that only have seen art with only time limited to geographic centers of Mthatha, Transkei, which is Eastern Cape. Now, excuse me. But us who have traveled and seen art, we have seen art being confirmed to be a good measure of a society, and it links very well with the aesthetics. Hence, you have seen where we are at within the premium aisle of restaurants and Mthatha, because art can be consumed in all forms, in food, in drinks as we do cocktails. That's why we added them. So to come to how am I dressed, man, I'm a Cape Townian, you know. I grew up in Cape Town. And then I think the safari line of Cape Town, the beach look is what inspired this. The Crocs, well, you know, because you need to be comfortable, man. You need to be, because I'm my foot in, I'm moving around a lot, so hence I have the Crocs. Well, the looks, and they're really inspired by this design called Ipekile, and it's a local artist that did this piece. You know, I had to find something to match with it, and I think this command, it's detailed, worked well. And what we had to put it in as a local, you know. So yeah, man, that's the couture, that's the purpose of the day. I think I gave it all.
Wow, guys, as bana nizivela futhi nizibonela into okokubana lo mntu uyayazi le nto ayithethayo. Hey, Khonmani yam, uhlobo othethe kamnandi kakhulu ngalo. Andikhaleli nowangcenga nje lamazwi akho, ndikhalela uba uske uphinde undiphe more njena uba ukhe wamenshina that you have a brand which is yours truly, of which it sounds as a very unique name and a very igama eli versatile as bana ugqibotshe into bana nam yeyam, which is you had emotive behind elagama. So what I would love to know into bana, how did you come up with such a name, and what was the motive behind it?
Yeah, okay, I'm raised, or rather I was born by a single woman, Opuleng Maswale. In the midst of it all, born about 30 years ago, I was born with two brothers, Otto and Ozipo, and my name is Yanga, and we are truly hers.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. I didn't see that one coming, but it's so powerful. As banizivela nani, guys, from isinxibo, from i-mindset, nyani i-art runs through umzimba kaKhonmani. So wena Khonmani namhlanje as besibona into yobana benibhizi ne-cocktails, namhlanje nize as ubarman, as bawusitsho into yobana waziwa njengobani, njengobarman. So nisizele nantoni namhlanje? What are we expecting from you guys?
So from ubarman, not only ubarman did e-cocktails today, we yours truly curated the show.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, curated what you see here.
Okay.
Yeah, how to send out these pieces, how to put them together in partnership with the art center. I want to give credit to Percy. I want to give credit to Unko Uchawe. I want to give credit to the artists. I want to give credit to some artists that are not mentioned. I don't know their names. Upabana, the artist that dressed me up, gave me a look and feel, Craft Matters. These are the artists that gave me the look, these things, They gave me everything. So those are the artists that I want to give shout out to. But in terms of our cocktails, we strictly curated the cocktails that were going to be aesthetically pleasing art. Hence, we are not going in deep into our craft of merging layers of cocktail, keeping it simple, because art is a simple thing, man.
Yeah.
Art is in the sun, is in the moon, is in the cloud, is in the ocean, is in the air. The movement of the trees.
The universe, it's art itself.
Yeah. So you don't want to be too vested in your cocktail in an artistic way. You want to let it go in an art platform like this. So I think that's what we brought: simplicity, aesthetics, and class.
Oh, wow. Yabona ke Khonmani yam, solo ndibaxelela abantu basiyabathanda because soloko sibaphathela izinto ezikwizinga eliphezulu. Bebecinga fanele uba yonke le nto bebezayivaphi xa bebengayiphathelwa sithi. Ukutsho kanjalo ke mkhulwa wam, thina kwelethu icala siyabulela kakhulu into yobana sibe nencoko nawe namhlanje, wasixelela about yonke le information ugqibo sixelela yona. Now that kukhona umuntu ohleliyo phaya ekhaya, mhlawumbi uyaqonda obana ndiyarhalela ke ukhe ndazi, ukhe ndizibonele ezinto lo bhuti azithethayo, which is uyarhalela ukukhangela on socials, angakhangela bani, angasetha ntoni umuntu ohleli phaya ekhaya on socials to get you.
Hey man, on socials I'm really a man behind the scene,
Okay, will you ghost?
Not really a ghost, I really don't label myself. I've not find a way, of incorporating my vast art into the media, I must say, because I'm a layered individual, I don't know what art should I put up for people to know me about, because I'm into design, I'm into photography, I'm into music, I'm into this art, I'm into curation. So, but if you want to interact with me in a personal level to get at least a glimpse of these layers of art, you can find me at Facebook, Uyanga Maswale. On Instagram, it's the sun_Langa.
Wow.
Yeah,
TikTok,
No, I'm not in those platforms of yet. We're still developing a platform that is going to be quite unique for our own engagement, because we believe, man, that we want to have personal interactions with people. We are launching a platform in partnership with Alien Arts that is going to allow us to have our own art seen and valued, man, not just measured in followers and likes. So, yeah. But someone can interact with me on Yanga Maswale on Facebook.
Oh, kulo wam andifuni noba ndiwasa ngapha nangapha. Nisivele guys, yonke into ibekiwe ngolhlobo ululo. This is Butiyanga Maswale, guys. Go and check him out. Uba uyakhalela ukwazi some things, uzibuzele wena because uyambona into obana umuntu nje eku-easy uba uthethe naye. Guys ke from now on ningalinge niziphosanise nento obana nifumane such information naba abantu aba-relevant. Uyayiva into obana u-versatile in all types of art forms. Wena mculo, wena ntoni, there is a lot engingayifunda apha kulo bhuti. Bhuti wam, masibulele kakhulu namhlanje into obana uye wavuma uhlala nathi ubhizi unjalo, kodwa ke sancokola wasiphokozela. Siyabulela kakhulu Khotman.
Bulela man. Inkosi kakhulu. To the youth out there, man, you know, Mtata, I would like to pass a message of encouragement, you know.
Please.
To everyone that is trying to make it out. We have seen how poverty is deadly. We have escaped it by a glimpse, you know, sisinde bethu nathi. Into endingayitsho kubantu baseMthatha, ibala likhulu, umhlaba ubanzi, sawunqandwa bumango nobunzulu bamanzi.
Oh, ndizawutsho ke mna ke ndiyivale ndisithi ngcatsho.
Cool. I didn't know.